well, I did a little pre-recorded demo and I'll talk over it. But this just shows you some of the key features of inspiration and how I'm using them. So the topic we're doing is seasons. And I recorded this with spelling mistakes and anything that naturally came to me. I didn't really think about it. So let's have a look at it. So when you open it, you can choose what you open, and in the center, you have that main idea. So as I say, it's seasons, and then I'm clicking anywhere on the canvas, and I'm just typing in more ideas. Notice that they may not make logical sense to you, but they did to me. So I've got sand and summer. Now I've gone up and I'm using that rapid fire tool. So that's up there in the toolbar. And what I've done is I'm using the rapid fire without links. And so I type a word, I hit enter, and a new symbol, or blob as I like to call them, appears. This means I can quickly get those ideas down before I forget them. I don't need to worry about my spellings. And then I can organize and rearrange. So now I've got my ideas down, I'm going to pull them out and see what makes sense to me. So I'm pulling out ideas I think link with winter and I think link with summer. This is how quick and easy it is to organize. You'll see I deleted something off there. It's because I put the idea down twice. We've all done that. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to think about how I can organize these. But first of all, let's check out the spelling. So I'm just clicking on the word and it's giving me the different spelling options. This relieves pressure for me. It relieves pressure for your students. To link the tools, to link the symbols, what we're going to do is we're organizing them slightly. We're going up onto that toolbar and we're linking. We start at where we want to link from and then we link over. So I'm going to seasons and I'm linking to winter, and then I want to link from winter down. This is how quick and easy it is. Obviously, this is a little sped up, I promise you. Again, I realized I had something that didn't link, so I just deleted it out. So I'm doing that evaluation all the way through. At the bottom here, I'm clicking on a theme because I don't want to spend hours organizing it and making it look pretty. That was with one click. Now I can expand and collapse the areas. So if I expand and collapse them, it means that I can take away some of that distraction and I can take away some of that areas where I might be thinking, I don't know where to focus on. Let's add some creative labels or some descriptive labels. Remember, this is me linking it, so they're labels that make sense to me. Okay, we've linked these. And I actually think I want to add some symbols. So I'm using these symbols that already exist. I'm typing in the search and I'm just dropping them onto the word and they will replace the word for me. But these images may be more powerful. When I said the outline and the diagram interact and they reflect each other, what I mean is when I've switched the outline view here, you can see it's already organized my thoughts. It's given me that frame to develop my writing. I'm adding in a note here because I don't know quite where to put it, but I want to try and link all my ideas, and this is what I'm going to develop into paragraphs and ideas later. So I'm adding in notes on the outline view, but I can do this on the diagram view as well. Remember, these could be longer notes. They don't have to be notes like I'm doing. You can open and close. So you know those ideas I hid earlier from winter? I can open and close them. And you can see how that's reflected back on the map. My notes actually appear on this map and I can make them larger and smaller and move them around. As I say though, I can add a note in the diagram view So I'm not limited to working in one way. These will be reflected because they do sync up in the outline view. I love how that outline view gave me that basis to write. So let's say I'm pretty much finished. I'm just putting in my last note. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to go up and click on that outline view. You can see my note has appeared up there. I can I can go back and I can look at words and think. I always use the word hot. Perhaps I should use a different word. So I'm using those synonyms. And you can also see on the toolbar at the very top there, you can have read aloud. This read aloud works in either the diagram view or the outline view. One of the other tools that you've got is you can seamlessly arrange those features. This is one click. Now I've got it all arranged, so I'm exporting it into Word. And this is what it looks like. This is great because then my students can just build on their ideas and develop that writing craft. I think that looks so professional.